welcome to the new. We still the loyal and royal from Top Chocolate Royal. You don't chop your own mede today. You go actually need to chop them. Anyway, we get another guest for Inside We Building. Very, very entertaining person. This person, a teacher, him a strategist, a speaker, an intellectual blogger. Yes, ones where they blog with brain. And in there, they refer him to the apostle of sexology for inside the apostolic ministry of what they talk about. In get style, where you study the human sexual behavior. Yes, person they talk about now, no other person but Matthew Femi Adedoyin. You are
welcome.
Thank you very much for
having me. And they tell I want to say you do your research well. I want the researcher of life.
People went to say we know it's a big go school. For London, we they go school well.
Yes.
The ones where go, they go. Me they go.
She tried. She did research.
I don't understand how you say they study sexual behavior. Right? You read them come out a bit. I just want to understand what they
Yeah, human sexual behavior now. How from your childhood, how you relate with sexual activity. Some people from childhood, when they're on the abuse, two things is bound to happen. Either they become addicted or they hate sex. So that's why you see some children or some lady when they grow, they say, I don't want to get anything to do with any man. I don't want to have sex. Because if you trace back to their background, they might have been abused, or some they get addicted. It seems that they can't do without it. So we do it in psychology. Then as psychology, we study it, then we find way on how to help such people. So that's why you could see sexology or any other thing in my profile.
Beautiful. For me, I want to actually ask concerning sexual abuse for inside the Obodo, Nigeria. We don't talk about them, not be the first time, and I guess say not be the last time we go ever talk about them.
Sure.
What be the things where we fit put in action in place to avoid those things? We don't say we know if you avoid them entirely, but what be those steps so we fit take to at least manage them to the minimal extent?
Well, the first thing I go say is that to avoid abuse, we have to teach people not to abuse.
Okay.
It's so unfortunate, say they teach girls to dress so that they don't go there abuse. A lot of people, nobody they teach the guys not to abuse, which is the first problem. So until we begin to let people know, say we're supposed to teach our boys, say this woman, this girl, she's a human being that must be respected and not to be used. Then they go into their psychology. They begin to see women as human. They begin to see them as queen, as neighbor's daughter, that I must not abuse this person. But if we don't teach all these things, a guy that was abused as a teenager grows up, abuse another girl, and maybe unfortunately they get belly born picking, that picking self grow from a battered home, grows up and continue, the abuse continue. So the first step is teach people not to abuse. After you teach people, then parents should understand that there is a place for sexuality education. Sexuality education is not sex education. Sexuality education is helping the children know their gender from childhood, from age 2, age 3. Let them begin to differentiate their private part from their public part. Call it the real name. Don't tell them, say, your private banana or something. Give them the real name. So by the time the girl grow up or the guy grow up, he knows the difference between private and public, where I should expose and where I should not expose. And from childhood, the father should learn that my daughter, at a stage, I should not help her in taking a bath anymore.
Okay.
Then the mother should know that at a stage, the son, I should not touch his private part. Let him do the washing by himself. And parents, I beg, make them not stack themselves naked before their children. It is a kind of pornography.
Oh. So what age should that stop?
Yeah, from gender education starts from age 2.
Okay.
Then from when parents begin to grow, when the children begin to grow, they begin to understand the difference between penis and vagina. You should stop stacking yourself naked before them.
In the presence of the child. Now, when they talk about we need to educate the people with the abuse, the person where they commit the abuse, it just makes me remember when they legalized gayism for inside Obodo, America, where they come outside talking about the way God created them, say not be their fault. And then pedophiles come outside, they claim, say, we are made like that to be surreal with young girls and young boys. It's just to make me wonder the kind of generation where we they actually go into and bring our children into. Later now, you go see when the author say it is okay because it's not their fault. Now, so they actually
but Germany don't bring new law now. They're about to legalize siblings, sister and brother being together.
Oh my God.
Okay, maybe we're not deviating
we
to that
actually
issue
get a
because-
lot to ask you about, but maybe we just take our body kajad. Yes, Queen Bee don't just one body kajad for today. You're going to need to listen to this one. When we come back, and we need to ask some more questions. Will they come back, I beg?
On top of body kaja today, you know, say na Queen Bee, they always they bring you all those things where you supposed to know. I know say you sabi this one, but I still talk, say make I still bring them to you because I know say some people they ignorant of that one. Today on top of body kajad, wetin we dey talk about be say, you know say raining season don't come, and we ladies where they carry weave on for head, now na that time where the thing go start to dey smell. I go prefer make you go back to your kinky braids or make you go back to your Ghana weaving. Even self if you go onto Didi. Yes, go onto the culture thing because it go make everything spliffig for you. Una know say raining season don't start. This one at that time we shower cap go start to sell and umbrella go dey sell. But me go tell you say, why not if not just take advantage of the moment make you do your hair small. Plait braids, different type dey we go make your hair dey kajad. Make sure say you dey dry your hair at least twice in a week so that all those damp na be say if cold don dey around where you dey dance, rain touch you but e no touch you well. Make sure say umbrella dey inside your bag all the way as you dey go. Buy those small tiny one, but I know say for Lagos, we dey avoid umbrella because Lagos girls no dey carry umbrella. They prefer to carry shower cap. If na shower cap you won't carry the one where go size the hair where you won't carry. But because in a rainy season, I go advise you, make you try the carry umbrella and also make you braid your hair because it go make everything stand gidigba. Your hair no go smell and everything go dey as it's supposed to be. We've on time, no being be now, that time of Harmattan. Weave on, they very important because it will help you protect your hair. You go put your hair inside and the harmattan will touch your hair. Now wetin I carry come on top of body kajad. If you feel say you get anything where you want add, I beg let us know. This one na talk.
All right, thanks a bunch, Queen Bee, for that one. You don't hear them. All right, tweets now. Time for tweets.
Okay, concerning our cocoa of the day, Alabi Olalekon in say I go slap her back immediately to know say the thing where she do it dey wrong. Gift Adamson too, he say I go wait when we go house we go talk about Ogbemi M. He say the reaction go depend on my state of mind and the partner at that time.
They change them.
If you are not important.
I dey tell you. Another person say Bible say flee all appearances of evil. Tule piante. Now wow, I don't understand where that one come from, but that's the bit where we take from
Exactly.
now.
All right, so what would be your final advice to parents where they out there?
The first thing is that parents should understand that your children need the gift of your presence than the gift of your presence. A lot of people give them...
Talk them again.
They need the gift of your presence than the gift of your presence. Because a lot of people, they feel say if this guy, they misbehave, make her send and go to America, make her buy an iPad, make her keep them busy. Instead of you to mentor, model, and manage. Those are the first three things parents need. A parent, you need to mentor, then you model. Whatever you are teaching your children, let them see you do it. By the time you're doing it, at a point, at age 12, individuating in the children start from age 2 to 12. Age 12, when they don't see you mentor, model, you can start managing them.
Yeah.
You see them, they begin to do it naturally by themselves without you asking them to do it. And parents should continue talking to their children because the person who get the highest influence in the life of your child is the real parent.
Yes.
True.
If the media has the highest influence, is the real parent. And I used to tell my friend that the world is going to a place that one day we go send John Okoro to school. He will come back as Joan Okoro.
Nice one.
Oh, nice one. So parents, you need to create yourself and give yourself, how did they talk about presents?
The gift
your
of your
presence is
presence
more important
than your presence.
say you give her money to buy gifts or
Yes.
anything. Thanks a bunch, so you come to our studio. I beg, you go need to come back again because parents need to understand a lot of things with
Thank you
surround
very
children.
much.
All right, we actually need to say bye-bye for today. Tomorrow we'll go meet you old school day, 9 Thursday. From all of us here, we say make una get better day without saying to talk, not be bad thing.
but make you know what
they talk about.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.